just in case you dial 911 by mistake, please don't hang up the phone, okay? Because the officers might think that emergency still exists. By mistake, your children dial 911 or yourself, please don't hang up. Just keep the phone with you because the call taker will answer you and explain it to them what happened, okay? So you have to remember, otherwise the emergency crews will come over in front of your house. It's not good, okay? This is an elementary school and there's a fire alarm inside their building in the morning. So this is my day home kids school. The school have a fire alarm, so I don't know what's going on inside. It's 8:20 here in the morning in Canada, and I just dropped my children to their school, and this is their neighborhood school, and this is what I saw today. In Canada, if you hear this beeping sound like beep, beep, beep in a building or in your house, meaning there's a fire alarm in the building, okay? So the smoke or the dust reaches the sensor that triggering the fire alarm, meaning the fire alarm provide you a warning to be alert and act immediately to ensure your safety or call 911. Okay, so in Canada, it is mandatory to install your fire alarm detector in your house. And if you rent a condo or a townhouse, apartment, making sure there is a fire alarm, okay, for your family's safety. Or if you have a house, you can install, buy at the Home Depot or Canadian Tire or Rona because it's for your family safety, okay? Every building here in Canada, they have a fire alarm detector. So in Canada, in the school, what they do here is they do practicing about the fire drill. They do fire drill, so I have to remove this one. Oh my god, I cannot breathe. Every school here in Canada, they have a fire drill. So if in case an emergency, they know how to escape, right? That's very nice. My children told me actually, if there's an emergency here in Canada, you better call 911. But if you're going to call 911, you have to make it sure, you have to specify what kind of emergency you need. Because if you call 911, if let's say somebody, you need emergency because your mom or your dad or somebody fell on your house and immediately need care, you have to call 911, but you have to specify, like, somebody broke their legs in my house, said I need an ambulance because this is what happened. You have to specify, okay? Otherwise the police or the fire truck is all coming in front of your house. The operator for the 911 is going to direct you what you are going to do, okay? So until the ambulance come over in your house, and you have to make it sure, if you have somebody else, you have to tell them to stay in front of your house, to open the door for the emergency crew people or the emergency service crew people who is coming to rescue you, okay? So if there's a fire in your house, what you're going to do is call 911 as well. You have to say, I need a fire truck. Okay, so if there's a violent also in your house, you need to call 911, but you have to say, I need a police right now. Emergency, sometimes you forgot your home address, I swear. If there's an emergency, sometimes you forgot what's going on and you call 911, they will come right away in your door. That's how I love in this country. I feel so safe because they can come and rescue you right away, you know. That's why I'm actually still in the school. Yeah, I have a day home kids and I drop in that school, so it so happened mommy is there for him, so I just left and I have to go home. Yeah, so that's how I do here in Canada. I do before and after care for my day home. So that's how you make money here in Canada as well. If you are a new immigrant, you can learn how to do that and you can make money while you are staying home and take care for your children, right? This is what I love here in Canada because I already experienced to call 911. In 3 or 5 minutes, they're in front of your house. So in Canada, if you are driving and you see a vehicle with the sirens and with the wheel, it's either the police car or ambulance or the fire truck, you have to drive slow and pull your vehicle on the side of the road. This is actually the ambulance in Canada. So you have to make sure they have to go first, okay? So that's how the rule here in Canada. So now you can hear the fire truck is coming also. So you see how disciplined here in Canada. All the cars have to move beside the road, so the ambulance has to passing by. See that? This is how it look like, fire truck here in Canada. So if you see them like wee, you have to slow down and pull your car beside the road, okay? So you have to remember, please. So just in case you were somewhere else and you don't know your location, what you do is just call 911. Don't worry about, because your cell phone carrier have a cell phone tower, so they can locate your location where you are, okay? Because sometimes if you're outside, you don't know where you are, you don't know the location, the cell phone tower can locate where you are, okay? So the dispatcher have no idea where you are, but the cell phone tower, see the technology, I love that. So you feel safe. That's why I love this Canada. You can also text 911 if in case you are really in danger, you cannot hear, you have a speech problem, you are in the emergency where the situation you cannot able to call or you cannot able to talk. You can able to text 911, okay? The crews, the dispatcher can come and locate you. Anyway, that's how life here in Canada, guys. So I'm actually walking because I dropped my kids and I walk with them in the school, and that's what I saw this morning, so I share it to you, some ideas, right? So remember to call 911 emergency number here in Canada. Even without English, you can just dial 911 in your cell phone, or even if you have a home line, you call 911, okay? No English, just call 911. You forgot your home address, every cell phone here in Canada is registered. Mean to say, in case of emergency, they know your home address, because when you buy a cell phone here in Canada, you need to register your home address, your real name, so they know what's going on. Just in case of emergency, they come and rescue right away. I never thought I'm going to share this 911 to you guys, but I'm glad I got these ideas, you see. So anyway, guys, I'm home and I hope I share you some ideas. So just in case you are in Canada, you have to know how to use 911. If you have any experience, just comment down below and share your information, because it helps for the people who watch my video, and they can see your comments. They have gain more ideas, okay? I already experienced call 911 about 3 times probably in my whole life here in Canada. So in my channel, I love to share you guys about life in Canada, the realities and the ideas, what's going on here in this country. And I love to share you guys about how to move and migrate in this country. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you for my next video, and God bless you and bye bye.